Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing great. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to attach any document in PDF or Word format to your Google Meet meeting. Attaching any document to your Google Meet is used primarily to conduct any examination online through Google Meet app. And now I am going to show you how to attach any file using your phone, and almost same thing you can do using your PC or laptop, right? Doing so, that is attaching any document to your Google Meet, is almost entirely different from creating a Google Meet meeting. I have already made a video on that, how to create a Google meeting and also how to present a presentation, right? So in this video I am going to share how to attach any file in document or in PDF format. So since I have told you it is totally different from creating a simple meeting, because it needs extra two steps you have to follow to attach any file. First of all, you have to have your file in your phone or your PC, right? The file in PDF or Word format. Second is that you have to upload your folder, that means your document, to your Google Drive. So click on Drive app. Now you can attach your file by clicking on attachment option. There is plus sign, right? Click on this. Now you click on upload icon and select your respective file. For example, I am taking one of my PDF, right, to show you how to do. So it's going to upload here. It will take few seconds, and yes, it is uploaded here. So it's your second step. That is, till now you have uploaded your file to your Google Drive. Now you have to do another step. In this step, you have to schedule your meeting using Google Calendar. So to do that, first of all you have to download your calendar, that is Google Calendar, in your phone. I have already downloaded it, and here it is. Schedule a meeting according to your time or date when you are supposed to take any examination. So to show you right now, I am creating my meeting right now, and it is 5th, right, and Friday. So now tap on to create. Add a title to your meeting. For example, I am taking it as a demo, right, demo class. Now select the time when you are supposed to take. Now since I am taking it right now, so I will select the same thing, that is 5th and Friday. Click on the time. It's already 6:90, so let me set it at 6:21, right, or 22, right? Okay, click on OK, and you can also select the end time. It depends on you how much duration you can set. Now you have to do is add your attachment or file to your calendar. After clicking on the attachment, you click on My Drive, and you can see your file which is already being uploaded to My Drive. Click on the folder or file in PDF or Word format. Click on select icon and you can see it is being uploaded here, right? And you can also confirm that whether your calendar is connected to your Google Meet or not. You can see there is an icon, add video conferencing. Click on that. Yes, you can see that there is Google Meet. So you must have the Google Meet pre-installed in your phone, right? So everything look good, so far so good, right? Click on save button. Yes, there is a meeting at it and a schedule at 6:22. So since I have feeded it at 6:22, my Google link will be activated in the calendar itself at 6:22. Remember, there is uh, used to be a lapse of time sometime that it may take few seconds or up to a minute to generate the meeting link, but it is being generated here already. So now click on the option join with meeting Google Meet. Click on that and it will direct to you to Google Meet, and you can see now you have entered to your demo class which you have scheduled to your calendar. So if you remember, I have not opened the Google Meet separately. I just click on the link which was there in my calendar and schedule time at the schedule time. So now you click on join meeting, right? And you invite the people which you supposed to whom you supposed to present or take the test. For example, I am sharing to myself to using my another email ID, right? Select the Gmail and I can select my another email ID which I can open to my laptop and send the request. So I have sent the request to my another email ID and I will be connecting, right? Clicking on Gmail. I will put my microphone off so that there will be less noise. So I have connected, and yes, my laptop is connected, right? So you have seen that I have connected my laptop. I am putting my sounds off so that there is less noise. So you can see there is two people, one myself, another is obviously my laptop. I have connected with my different email ID. Now you can see that there is icon of information eye. Click on this eye and you can see that your attachment is there. So in order to share this attachment in PDF or your respective format, first of all you have to present your screen. So click on this three button present on corner of your screen. Now you click on present screen, give the permission, start presenting, and you can see now you attach your or click on your attachment. Okay, yes, now you have opened your form PDF and now you can share it. Everybody who are there in your meeting can see your PDF or document. For example, if you are taking an examination, it will be convenient to create the question paper in a single page so that there is no need for scrolling up and down to share with other student, right? So if there is all the question in a single paper or single page, everybody can access to each and every question at a time, right? So for example, after your time is over, just click on the back button. Now click on your stop presenting. Now nobody can able to see the attachment. So it was how to attach any attachment to Google Meet. Hope you have understood it. Now you can try by yourself, and that's it. Thank you very much.